Hello, everybody. I have a Philips TV that has an image issue. Basically, TV comes on, but there is no picture. So let's turn this on. Nothing coming on. The backlight is working. I have checked power supply. I have checked the motherboard. Everything is indicating that it's working. Basically, one of these flexi ribbons are filled and sending bad signal to the motherboard, and motherboard won't allow to turn on the picture. What we want to do is switch off the TV, remove the one of the ribbons, because the signal comes from here and it goes back in here as well. Well, I've already cut out a bit of sorry tape stick to the very here with the ribbon. Yeah, that's basically it. So picture appeared. And we have a picture. Sometimes picture could be with some lines, so you need to widen up or reduce the width of the sellotape that you put it on. If it's not wide enough, it might have a line to cross. I managed to clip in perfect size, seems to be. So if that will fix your TV, happy days. Electronics repairs.